Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Oscar Ramos and today, hello I'm talking army. Where's my umpire? Let's go. We have the latest and biggest news right now. Binance adding AMP token for trading, Regal movies, theaters adding flexa network partnerships so they'll be able to add Bitcoin pay with cryptocurrencies at 500 or more locations in the United States, and the price predictions where we see the price heading. All of that and more by the end of this video. So if you like this, go ahead and smash the like button, consider subscribing and turn on those notification bells. Sit back, relax, and let's get started, everybody. Right now, Binance will list, I'm talking 13 hours ago, the biggest and latest news right now, knowing how Coinbase had its Coinbase effect here majorly in the United States, but Binance is global. We knew it had Binance.us that was listed months ago, but now it's the global and it is effective. And it will take some days to fully realize a nice average consolidated price. We'll take a look at that right now in the price analysis. But here's the biggest one right now. Just 1 hour ago, Flexa Network saying Flex is proud to share that Regal Movies is now accepting cryptocurrencies and more for tickets, popcorns, and snacks at the box office. Once you click that Medium post, this is what we see. And look at this. Using Flex, Regal patrons can buy tickets and concessions today using dozens of digital cryptocurrencies at over 500 theaters. Guys, you are watching this as an AMP token soldier. You understand that the listings on Binance are great, but they are not gonna sustain the price hot and steady at the top. What's gonna sustain the price of AMP token is usage, utility, and these type of partnerships. If you are welcoming, if you're new in the AMP boat, that's what I'm gonna teach you right now. Great Binance listing, that is everything. Coinbase, we had it checked. Binance, now it checked. We're gonna be having a greater average price, consolidated price, but that's not gonna take us to $1.50, 25 cents, and passing the all-time high. This will. Let's go ahead. So right now, Coinbase, we have it at 60% buy, 40% sell, more than 1,500% volume. That is amazing. And 36% popularity. That is amazing. And 28 days. So this one is you buy and hold. You buy and hold. Some people will trade sell it. That is fine. Day trading is also available. And right now, of course, we have the max supply and 56,000. So just take a look at this on Etherscan. We went on Monday 22nd from 56,255 to 56,790 immediately, because this is big news when the Binance listings, and of course it is a great opportunity for people to make a lot of money. And at this time, I'm token is surrounded and around the 60th place by market cap with almost $3 billion in market capitalization. That being said, everybody, those are the biggest news. Now, what is the price prediction analysis and everything in between? Let's go ahead and get started right now. By looking at my technical analysis, we see that the RSI is still not overbought. What does that mean? That the price at this time that we're seeing of 6 cents, mid 6 cents, hasn't reached that overbought measure, and that is a great indicator for me as an AMP token holder, meaning that if I buy right now, the price can still skyrocket and I'll be making much more money. Take a look at this one right here. When the price went all the way, I'm gonna be adding a price level. The price went all the way to 8 cents, and guess what? There was no news. There was really not news for AMP token to do it, and it just skyrocketed because of buyers and sellers. You can totally see right here, if I start zooming in, how people bought and people sold. And I'm gonna show you the closer look right here, how you see the people who bought just hours ago when Binance was announced that it was going to be listing in about 4 hours, because this happened very early. This Binance listing, guys, they told us 3 to 4 hours before the listing, and everybody was like, what's going on? What's going on? So it was very intense. People bought and they knew it was going to come back down, and that's what right here we see the sell-off. That is normal, expected from a lot of people. Now, this is what it looks like. It is not overbought, so there's a room for growth, in my opinion. Always buy what you can afford losing, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and add my MACD and my Bollinger Bands. These are two just to give you more delicious prices to see what's going on. At this price right now, the price is on the top, on the tip of the Bollinger Bands, meaning that it's, it's high, but looking at the RSI, adding more indicators, it's totally good. And when it comes to the MACD, guys, take a look at this. This is precious, guys. This is precious. Look, we're not even in the green. We're not even in the green on the histogram on the MACD. So we really haven't seen a growth like about here. You see? We haven't really seen a growth. We're coming out of this red uh, histogram on the MACD. We're barely coming into the green one, so that is really good news. So what am I saying right now? You guys are listening. Am I saying that it's just going to continue blowing up to 50 cents in the next couple of 3 days? No. What I'm saying is that buying at these prices, to me, after holding I'm talking for so many months, it's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. I've been buying 4, 5, 6, 7 cents, not really above 7 cents. And at this time it's 6 cents. If it comes back to 5, great position, because guys, once again, this is a beautiful long-term one. I showed you my portfolio yesterday in the live I'm talking, and with 1 cent, my portfolio jumped thousands of dollars. That's when you want to buy, when it's red, when it's at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the much closer analysis before I give you my new price prediction. So this is what we see for the AMP token price in the 5-minute view. And well, easily we see how people are buying, people are selling at this time by using the Fibonacci retracements from the 1 year to date, which I love to use. Right now we're coming up, coming back down, coming up, coming back down. I still expect more movement for the upcoming days on AMP token. This is not over yet. We're barely starting. Plus we just have the news of Regal, so there's gonna be more volume coming in. So far it's great. And as you can tell, everybody, there's still whales looking at it. Look, there's still the growth for AMP token. On the other hand of the spectrum, they already know how AMP token works, so that's why we see the sell-off. So if you're seeing the trend, we're gonna be having some more buying, some more sell-off. So if you wanna make money with AMP token quickly as a trading opportunity, go ahead and do it. You know what you do with your money. But if you're like me, holding, staking, either Gemini Earn, link down below. If you don't have a Gemini account, go ahead and create one, so we both get free Bitcoin, or flexa network, so you can get 5% plus on staking. Just remember, Ethereum fees are pretty high. These are my updated price predictions after analyzing I'm talking for a while. Of course, this is just non-financial advice, and this is just my opinion. May happen, may not happen, may be completely off and it can shoot up all the way to the moon, or may not reach it, but this is what I've seen so far. I have updated my final price predictions for I'm talking, of course, with the Binance listing, which is even a huge, and it will take some days to finally see what the growth was. We're barely in first day so far. So there's still a lot going on. I'm expecting more green candlesticks coming up. So far, bearish case scenario, 7 cents. Medium normal scenario, 8 cents. And bullish case scenario for I'm talking by the end of 2021, 10 plus cents. And look, notice, not even close to the all-time high of I'm talking, which was 12 cents. But guess what? Guess what brought the price of I'm talking to 12 cents? Coinbase effect, when it was launched on Coinbase on June 8th, and that was, my friend, June 16. So it took a couple of days to really get there. So people were really very hyped buying, and there you go. So what am I saying, guys? That right now, it just happened hours ago. Launch at 12 a.m. Central Time, so a lot of you were sleeping, and well, now it's here. Binance, the biggest volume. So if I go back and I click on I'm token on market cap, soon we're gonna be seeing here on market Binance, if it's not already here. There it is. Here it is, everybody. Markets, Binance. So 86%. This, guys, it's nothing. We are gonna see Binance USDT and Binance US on Binance.us coming up pretty nicely, but the Binance USDT is going to come pretty nicely too. It's going to be passing Coinbase Exchange. It has to. It's what we've seen over and over and over. Everybody, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is amazing. I'm token for the win. We know that the only coin that compares to I'm token is XRP in volume, in market supply of coins, and XRP is already at $1. Can AMP token get to $1? Let's hold AMP R with diamond hands and let's see what happens. But I'm pretty positive this is not a bad choice. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Love you. Have a great time. Please go ahead and check the links down below for your free Bitcoin and awesome stuff. You want to be a patron of mine, go ahead and join my Patreon so you talk to me on Discord, one-on-one, face-to-face. And I'll see you next time, everybody. Be safe. Peace.